It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, the 30th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Generally dry conditions with above average temperatures will be with us today, but a gradual increase in monsoon moisture and related shower and thunderstorm chances will be with us for the rest of the week and heading toward the weekend. So let's get into it here. Looking at the almanac from yesterday, 109 degrees the afternoon high, 88 was the morning low, 106 and 85 are the averages for this time of year. Outside now at 12:15 p.m., partly sunny, 102 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 54, humidity 20%, a calm wind, and the barometer steady. Upper level weather pattern across the nation. High pressure sits off to the east and southeast of us. The flow aloft out to the south-southwest, but there is a little fly in the ointment there, and that's in the form of an upper low across central Baja, and that's going to drift north over the next 24 hours or so. And that feature should help to bring in a little added moisture and dynamic support for better chances of showers and storms by tomorrow. The watch warning map, we've got heat across the nation's midsection from the Gulf Coast all the way up through the Central Plains and north of Arizona over the Pacific Northwest and the Intermountain regions. Once again, those heat advisories and excessive heat watches and warnings. For us, things are quiet for now. Convective outlook for today, we've got the enhanced risk of severe storms from parts of Nebraska and Missouri, Iowa, south and eastward. The broader severe weather risk extends from the Dakotas and Minnesota all the way down to the Atlantic coast. And yes, even over parts of New England, there's that marginal risk for severe storms. In Arizona, the southeastern portion of the state in the green, thunderstorms possible down there. But most of those, and there won't be many to be found, but they will stay mainly to the south and east of greater Phoenix. Precipitation outlook, this is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, not a lot, at least not depicted here, but generally 1/2 to 1 inch amounts at most across the higher terrain of northern and eastern Arizona. But as we always tell you when showing this graphic, your amount will vary. And I do think there will be an increase in the number of showers and storms around here as we go forward. Speaking of, let's talk about that forecast in more detail. To do that, we explore the models, see what the future may hold. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Got troughing passing to the north of the state. That's suppressed our ridge a little bit to the south and east. So again, more of a south-southwesterly flow. What it means for us down at the surface for the rest of the day today, partly sunny, hot. Yeah, I'd say highs will probably top out anywhere from 106 to 110 degrees. For tonight, yes, isolated showers and storms will be present to the south and east of us. Could we see some outflow boundaries try to push into the south-central deserts? Little gusty wind, blowing dust action. I guess that is faintly possible, but for the most part, we're going to keep that out of the forecast. Overnight lows tonight will generally be in the 80s to near 90 degrees. And then tomorrow, boy, the GFS is pretty bullish on moisture. It shows this upper low transitioning north out of central Baja into northwest Mexico and moving towards southern Arizona, and a pronounced increase in moisture around here. So again, partly sunny. And the GFS says scattered showers and storms, and maybe a few storms could put down some heavy rain. I'm not ready to go full tilt with what the GFS is selling, but we will introduce at least slight chances of showers and storms in here for tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. Gusty winds and blowing dust would be the most likely outcome, but could see some brief heavy downpours with the strongest storms. Again, not a great threat, but hey, better than nothing. High temperatures tomorrow, again, should still be somewhere in the 105 to 110 range, and more or less, even though we're going to show minor variance in temperatures through the period, that's pretty much how temperatures are going to trend, at or a little bit above average, maybe a couple of degrees warmer as we go toward the weekend. Thursday, some clouds around. In fact, it may even be mostly cloudy for the day on Thursday. Highs might back off a couple of degrees, 104 to 108 for the afternoon high. Isolated afternoon and evening storms will be with us. Friday, should see a few less clouds, better chances of showers and storms. That ridge that's been suppressed off to the east, it's building back, and more of an east-southeasterly flow develops. More monsoon moisture comes in, but with the ridge coming closer, temperatures up a couple of degrees. But like I said, not greatly variant in temperatures. Highs probably anywhere from 106 to 110, maybe 111, something in that range. And over the weekend, deeper monsoon moisture continues to funnel in here, so scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms will be with us for both Saturday and Sunday. High temperatures still be kind of warm, anywhere from about 107 to 111. Monday, It's really not much difference, although the GFS says this is actually a better opportunity for showers and storms. It's hard to tell which day will be the best. But if we take the GFS at face value, yeah, southeasterly flow continues and maybe some sort of upper low or disturbance or inverted trough comes in here for better chances of showers and storms. And again, temperatures will be hovering a couple of degrees either side of 110 degrees. Same thing as we go to a week from today. This is Tuesday, the 6th of August. And again, the GFS shows an active pattern. Scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms, kind of a mid-grade monsoon pattern, plenty of moisture around. And so things looking pretty favorable for continued shower and storm activity. Going out 10 days, this is Thursday, the 8th of August, and the GFS continues to depict the upper low kind of meandering around. Tropical systems well off to the south and west of us, not going to worry about those. But a continued monsoon pattern for scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. Looking at precipitation here, rainfall for Phoenix. And again, we're going now all the way out through the 13th of August off the GFS ensemble. The mean over 3/4 of an inch. The control member is over an inch. European ensemble, less so, of course, because that's just how it's been all summer. And temperatures off of the national blend of models. Look, we're going to stay at or above average. That's the bottom line to the temperature forecast over the next 10 days or so. No sign of any real big cool downs here. No sign of any breakdown of the heat. Although on any given day, if we should happen to see a more robust outbreak of storms, yeah, temps could be lower than what's depicted here. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is due back here tomorrow morning. Should you happen to enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And if you really like what we do here, then click that thanks icon below the video, make those monetary contributions, or contribute to us via PayPal. grofshow@gmail.com is my address on PayPal. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only, the sweetest of all time, the Asian sensation and proprietor of sweetchildaz.com.org and the Facebook page of the same name, Sweet Child Arizona. Talking about my Michelle, check her out. All of her videos, all of the things Michelle related, linked up in the description, as is our streaming station called KMGX. Give that a listen. We play a ton of music and have a lot of fun with that. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. All of your continued support. It is so greatly appreciated. Please be safe, stay cool, stay hydrated out there, and you guys have yourselves a delightful rest of your Tuesday.